Everyone called him a coward. This is the story of a crybaby, Zenitsu Agatsuma. Zenitsu was abandoned, tricked, and constantly underestimated until one man changed his life. The former Thunder Hashira. He trained Zenitsu again and again, even when he kept failing. But Zenitsu had a limitation. He could only learn one form of thunder breathing. Instead of giving up, he mastered that one form to perfection. Now the biggest question, why does Zenitsu fall asleep? It's actually psychological. When he is awake, his fear controls him. He overthinks, he hesitates. But when he is unconscious, his fear disappears. His body relies purely on training and instinct. That's why his true strength only appears when his mind gets out of the way. That scene we all remember. Lightning strikes, silence drops, and suddenly Zenitsu changes. That calm face, that deadly focus. His thunder breathing first form becomes unstoppable. Zenitsu didn't need multiple techniques. He mastered one to perfection. And that's what makes his movements feel legendary. He has no talent, no confidence, but his growth says it all. And again, we experience that in Mugen Train movie, when he protected Nezuko. And at that time, we feel that he is not just strong, but he is loyal and pure-hearted. Zenitsu is not loved because he is the strongest. He is loved because he is scared but still fights. He doubts himself but still grows. He is weak but never gives up. In Demon Slayer, he represents all of us. And remember this, courage is not about being fearless. It's about fighting, even when you are terrified. And when the gates of Infinity Castle open, no fear, no hesitation. For the first time ever, Zenitsu walked in away, not as a coward, but as a storm itself. And in front of Kaigaku, fear ended and a new storm was born. If you are a true Zenitsu fan, please hit that like button and subscribe for more anime content.